3D8MiNi is a fun lead cube DIY electronics kit, learning soldering kit. Children can get happiness and a sense of accomplishment in hands-on making. Buyers have to solder it by themselves. It contains the following accessories: red lead, white lead, blue lead, green lead, Type-C wire, tinned iron wire, white wire, copper pillar, red and black wires, soldered and tested motherboard, acrylic ruler, installation instructions. Buyers need to prepare their own soldering iron and solder wire. There are holes on the motherboard to assist in soldering the LEDs, making soldering easier. After soldering is complete, plug in a 5-volt power supply to display the built-in animation. There are 7 buttons to adjust the animation: previous, next, speed, GA1, speed, pause, loop mode, turn off LED. Use W1 to switch the microphone spectrum mode.
Hey, hey, hey.